Hey my friends, it's me, Retired Shenanigans. I'm here again today with another one. Welcome or welcome back. I just want to say thank you, my friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along on my journey. I appreciate you guys. But today is simple. You know, all summer it might be just simple, quick, something that I'm just gonna put together because I just don't feel like cooking. But I got some chicken breasts here. I'm gonna fry them. I'm gonna fry them up. We're gonna put them on these buns, and we're gonna have fried chicken breast sandwiches. I'm not making them like nobody, not like Popeye, not like Wendy's, not like McDonald's. This is the Shenanigans way, mine. You're gonna watch me what I do. You're gonna see how I'm cook it, and it's gonna be all good because Shenanigans is simple. She's simple and she just loved to cook for her family. It's three of us. So, on that note, if you make it to the end of this video, please, I'm up to 523 subscribers. I'm coming along, people. Let's get to 600 on for this video right here. 600. That's not much to ask. But anyway, if you make it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. I'm going to start to season this chicken, cut it up, and we're going to go to the stove and we're going to fry it up. Come on along. Okay, my friends, these have been washed and cleaned. You see me picking, but I cleaned them. I had just came from the center actually, and we had a nutritionist come in today, and she talked about chicken, that we don't have to wash it and stuff like that. But if it's in my kitchen, we're going to wash it. And I cleaned it and I washed it. You see these chicken breasts? I'm going to cut this one halfway like this. Right? Y'all think I need a new knife? I don't know how to cut this one. I'm going to cut this like this. This is a thick old piece of chicken here. And that's good. We're going to leave that like that. So we got 4 pieces here. I got 4 buns. So that's what we're going to make. So I'm going to wash my hand right quick. Right? And now we're going to season it. I got poultry seasoning. I always use this on chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Right? Chicken seasoning on chicken, chicken, chicken. But she was saying, I just got off a track, but I'm back on track now, maybe. She's saying, you don't have to wash your meat when you buy it out the store. But I was sitting with a nice young lady, because we all the same age. And you know what she said? She said, when you buy meat, when butchers do meat in the store, if they drop it on the floor, they don't wash it off. They just pick it up, and guess where it go? Packed in that food. So why ain't you gonna wash your food? She used to work in a meat market, she told me. So I'm gonna wash my meat all the time, no matter what. I'm just saying that to say, wash your meats. Even if you don't, make sure you cook them well done, where it kills all that bacteria and stuff. So now we just gonna mix this up. We're gonna be able to get all this seasoning for both sides of this chicken. See that? You don't gotta turn it over and season the other side, because this was a lot. All here on this. So we seasoned the chicken. You know what I should have did? I might do. I'm going to see if I can. I don't have no buttermilk. I don't have no wet batter. But I'm gonna make a little wet batter for my flour I'm gonna show you. And I want to put a little hot pepper, not hot pepper, hot sauce in it. So let me get the powder. Let me get the flour all set up and we'll come back. Okay. All right, I'm back. Look, my ingredients ain't buttermilk. I'm going to put a little bit of this milk that I have. Not much. And I got some Old Bay hot sauce. I'm put it in there. Right? We're going to get us a fork. We're going to stir it up. I don't got buttermilk. I don't ever buy buttermilk. And let me know if anybody know how to make buttermilk. I seen somebody say they know how to make buttermilk on here, but I just didn't. I don't do it. I'm gonna pour a little more milk. So we want it loose. That's a little tight. So tell me, guys, try this recipe, because you know what? I bet you it's gonna taste delicious when we finish. How much you want to bet me? How much money we got? I thought so. I don't have much either. I just like to say it. I'm not I'm not poor, but I'm not rich. I'm grateful. I'm grateful that God watches over me and take care of me like he does. Y'all think that? I think that's good enough for this. So we're going to put that there. We're going to put some of this seasoning in our dry batter so we can get it all nice and coated. I got my grease already warming up over there. I want it to be smoking hot when we put the piece of chicken in it. But you know what? It might only be one piece, because ain't nobody here right now with me to eat. And you know, these chicken sandwiches should be nice and hot. Nice and hot. But if I got everything ready, all I have to do is drop it in the pot when they get ready for it. Right? Like I'm ready for it. So, y'all see my wet batter? We're going to put this piece of chicken in it. We're going to press it down. We're going to turn it over. We're going to make sure I get all of this on it. Right? And got this rack, because I want to, I'm going to put it in the flour and then I'm going to let it rest right there for a minute before frying. Now we in the dry batter. The dry mixture. Woo. I'm gonna make sure the chicken coated with the flour. Right? Now I'm gonna just lay it right here and let it rest until we go to the frying pan and put it in. But my friends, that's simple and easy. It wasn't too expensive either. I really got these chicken, them 2 pieces of chicken on sale for like $7. And I have all the other stuff in the house. I'm gonna make a side salad to go with it. So when I get ready to put it in the pot, you're gonna be right there with me, my friends. So come on in, let's finish making this fried chicken sandwich shenanigans way. Okay, the chicken been resting on the rack. We're gonna put it in the pan. Just back up now so you don't get splattered. Y'all see that? hope y'all can see that. You see it? So, it ain't gonna be cooking that long, but we're gonna cook it right here. Okay? Let's move the rest of this out the way. So, we're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes, probably on each side. Just make sure your grease is hot when you put it in, because this grease is hot. And now I'm gonna start toasting my bun. Toasting my bun. Toasting my bun. It's a regular hamburger bun, no brioche bun, no none of that. I am gonna put some mayonnaise on it. I'm gonna toast it. I'm gonna put some mayonnaise on it, but I don't think I'm gonna put no cheese on this chicken. But I might put a little lettuce, and I'm gonna make me a side salad. Let me see what the chicken looks like. Okay, not yet. I'll come back when I'm ready to flip it and get everything together. Alright, I flipped the side. Look how it's looking. Nice and brown. But me, I'm going to make sure the inside of my chicken is done before I take it out. So I cut the fire down low and we're going to cook it up. I'm getting my salad ready. I'm cleaning up my mess. When I come back, I'm going to show you the finished product. This is my salad. I'm going to put me some blue cheese on it. Woohoo! I like blue cheese. I'm waiting on my bun and my chicken to be completely finished. I'm going to put some of this in my salad. What am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something, but it's okay. The salad dressing that I'm going to use. So I'm going to start fixing up my bun. But the chicken sound like it's done. Chicken sound like it's done. I'm going to make up my bun and we're going to be eating. Okay, come back. Okay, my bun is all toasted. My chicken is all done. I just got it resting over there a little bit. I'm putting mayonnaise. I like mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. What do you guys like on y'all chicken sandwich? I ain't putting no pickles. I might put a little piece of lettuce. But I definitely got some mayonnaise going on here. So, alright. So we got the mayonnaise. I'm gonna go and get the chicken. I'm gonna get the chicken. Alrighty. Y'all might think the chicken is burnt, but not to me. Because I like to make sure my chicken is done on the inside. It's done. So, our chicken sandwich and our salad. I'm going to close this up, mash it down. We're going to cut it open because I want you guys to see what it look like on the inside. Yep. So that is our chicken sandwich, the shenanigans way, with our salad. Okay, my friends, here it is. Salad and a chicken sandwich. So I'm gonna put some sweet onion dressing on the salad. So, my friends, tell me what you think. I showed you I showed you the inside of the chicken. I showed it to you when I was cooking it. I'm put my plate down because I don't want to drop nothing. But I'm going to take a bite of my chicken sandwich. Take a bite of my chicken sandwich. Hot. But it is good. Wow. Wow. It's definitely good. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. But how bad can you mess up a salad? Well, not bad at all. That dressing make it taste good. But oh my goodness. My friends, I'm not going to tell you no lie. This is really good. So, I did not, I did not try to make it like nobody. No Popeye, no Wendy, no McDonald's, no Chick-fil-A, no nothing. This is the shenanigans way, retired shenanigans. And I put milk with some hot sauce to make a wet batter. And it is good. It is so good. So, on that note, my friends, I'm going to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for watching. This probably is going to be a short video, but they don't all have to be long for y'all to know how much I appreciate you guys, and I want to say thank you for watching it. So come on, watch this one, and the one after it, and the one after that, and please don't forget to subscribe. Halfway home. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.